Hi guys, Dave with Colonial Saw. We just wanted to take a minute to show you why you want a Striebig for panel processing. There's got to be a better way. I suspect there's going to be a better way. For sure, there has to be a better way. I think you know what I'm going to say. Do I have to say it?
I prefer the Striebig over the slider. The slider is more demanding, more physical, more lifting, harder on the back. It could be more dangerous on the fingers. The Striebig is safer, easier to turn material, faster to cut, just overall more safety.